In this video, we'll be showing you how you can start your e-commerce store step by step today with only $100. The first step is to find the perfect product you want to sell. And you can find your winning product by using TikTok for inspiration, and you can also use Google Trends, Exploding Topics, and TikTok for product research. Make sure to find a product that will help solve a specific problem and will add value to your potential customers' lives. A pro tip to finding a winning product is to go on explodingtopics.com and sort by past 3 months and put product. And this will give you product trends over the past 3 months. Once you find your winning product, order it on AliExpress or Alibaba. You can also order a sample of a product from some vendors for free, but you only pay for shipping. So talk to vendors and see which one is the best for you, and make sure to read customer reviews. Another tip is to use AliExpress once you first start with getting lower quantities, then switching to Alibaba to buy in bulk for cheaper prices. The next step is to create and design a website. You can do this under 30 minutes and for free with $0 using Big Cartel. And it's also very easy to use. And you can use Big Cartel for free for as long as you need, as long as you have up to 5 products. And Big Cartel also has several themes and colors to choose from. You can track your shipments, and you can also add a custom domain. The next step, once you get your product, is to start creating video content and post it on all social media platforms. And the more video content you make, the more creative you become, and the less likely you'll have to pay for ads, because a lot of people would be interacting with your content. Remember that you only need one viral video to take you off and to have a lot of sales. One viral video can make you thousands of dollars in sales. Consistency is key. You need to keep posting until you get your viral video, then make similar videos to the one that went viral. Remember to not give up. It's only a matter of time until you get your first viral video, so keep on posting. Once you have your video content, post it on Instagram as Instagram Reels, on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, on TikTok, on Pinterest as Idea Pins, and on Facebook as Facebook Reels. These social media platforms have high organic reach, which means you don't have to pay for any ads. High organic reach can give you free potential customers. And don't forget to put your link of your website on all social media platforms. You can also take this opportunity to show them your products and services you offer through TikTok live streams and answer any questions they may have. This can help you build a community of loyal followers. Thanks for watching.